Hey, I'm Timothy, and I'm your new business coach. Give me 60 seconds and I'll change your life. I own and operate Status Branding Agency, a digital marketing and advertising firm based in New York City. I've been privileged because this would be my 5th year working remotely while working for myself. I've been traveling since 2017 when I finally gave up my DC apartment to see the world. The independent experience allowed me to build my own corporation from zero to working with global brands and luxury agencies, all within the past 5 years. I'm offering you the unique opportunity to work with me one-on-one to turn your ideas into business success. We'll sit down to review your ideas, point you to the right resources, and create a seamless plan of action for you to complete on your own time. I'm dedicating after hours for up to 10 startups and entrepreneurs who have a vision but just need help realizing market success. If that's you, let's get started with a basic intro call today, and we'll start reviewing your business ideas together. This is your process. This is your race, but let's run it together.